from Swampy River to Keaton Beach out 20 nautical miles.
I saw the storm over the water.
Swampy River to Apalachicola,
On the radar.
Florida from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 12:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:21 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located 17 nautical miles south of V Tower, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard: waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: radar indicated. Impact: waterspouts can quickly form and capsize boats, damage vessels, and create suddenly higher waves. Make sure all on board are in a secure location and wearing life jackets. Expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. The severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Swampy River to Keaton Beach.
Oh, yay, that thing finally went.
Waters from Swampy River to Apalachicola, Florida from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 12:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:21 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe storm capable of producing waters.
Yeah.